Hi, this is for the Remington T-Studio Silk Ceramic Blow Dryer. It's a limited edition pink, and it also comes with two of these little rubber bands, hair elastics, whatever you want to call them. It works 50% faster, 90% more ions for less frizz, 3 heat settings, 2 speeds, super ion generator for silky smooth results. Has a 1875 watt motor for 4 times longer life, a no slip soft grip, and it also has a little loop to hang your blow dryer on when you're not using it. I'm going to show you how it works now with my little assistant. If you'll come sit in the chair, please.
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to blow dry a little bit of her hair back here. You go ahead and do that part for me, please, so I can film. You can hear how loud it is. Is that on high or medium?
High.
That's on the high setting. Put it on the low for a minute. That's low. And then do it on the high again. Turn it off for a minute. Let me show it. It's a Remington silk. And it's pink, and it's really, really, really pretty. There's the back of it. It has a removable air filter. And here's the little loop for hanging it. Okay, now, also another use for this blow dryer, besides blow drying your hair, is if you have a cast on and your arm itches, you can put the thing on cool. Hold on just a second. And put it on cool. Put it in right there so the air gets in your cast, and it helps to get the itchies out. So that's another great use for your blow dryer. So thank you for watching our review, and have a great day. Bye.